Okay, Unit 5 Digital Logic Circuits, VSTL for third year triple and an ST syllabus. So, under that, the first one is combinational circuits. So, basics of combinational circuits consist of logic circuit. This combinational circuit, the output depends upon present input, that is called as combinational circuit. So, here for analyzing combinational and sequential circuit for designing designing RTL design. So analyzing and design the combinational circuits. How to we can analyze and design combinational circuits. So first we have to take it circuit specification and truth table, CAMF, algebra in manipulation, computer based tools, and last one is logic diagram. So circuit specification, truth table, KMAP, and logic diagram. So this is a basic design of combinational circuit procedure. So find the requirement and input and output. Try the truth table and using truth table obtain the simplified Boolean function and draw the circuit diagram. Okay, so these are the procedure we have to follow to obtain the truth table and procedure. So So for sequential circuits, this is a combination circuit. We know that so output depends upon not only present input, also output depends upon the previous output. They have the memory storage element for delay part. For designing sequential circuits, so derive the state diagram. First step, derive the state diagram, obtain the state table, and number of state may be reduced by state reduction method. Determine the number of flip-flop needed and choose the type of flip-flop to be used and derive and excitation equation and using map any other simplification method and drive output functions and the flip-flop input function and draw the logic diagram. So this is the design of sequential circuit steps and analysis and the design of sequential circuits. So we have to just now we saw what are the steps available. Same thing written here. So this is the difference between combinational and sequential circuit. This is we already discussed in previous videos. So main thing is there is no feedback path in combinational circuit and sequential circuit they have the feedback. Okay. So the RTL design. So register transfer level RTL. That is RTL, register transfer level. So it represents a digital circuit at the abstract level. So this RTL level mainly representing digital circuit at the abstract level. So there are two elements in the digital circuit. One is the digital sequential circuits, flip-flops, counters like that, and combinational circuit gates. Example, AND gate, OR gate, MUX gate, encoder, decoder. So these are the examples. So these circuits there are two commonly used variety of RTL, namely Verilog and VHDL. Used variants of RTL, namely VHDL and Verilog. So these are hardware languages. So this is representing logic functional to design simply text entry language. Okay. So this is mainly used for simply text entry language. So RTL register transfer level. It's a high level of it will be RTL design convert this self-designing job easy automated process and write functionality to the design. Okay, then so this is basic process. D flip flop is there, so clock reset data in and data out. So alternating logic of D flip flop RTL with reset. So here the process clock reset and begin. So basic D flip flop program. The clock is there, reset function is there. The process begin reset. If it is reset 0, then data output is 0. So what is D flip flop? So whatever the input given, the same output will be come. So that's a D flip flop. Something the output getting delay. That is a flip flop. Same output you will be get it. So if it is reset, then there is no data. If the clock is one, then the data output is nothing but that is data input. And end if and end process. So this is a program for D flip flop. And RTL synthesize. So what is RTL synthesize? So RTL synthesizer means we have to simulate the coding part, and after that we have to synthesize the coding part. Synthesize means it's complete total package. So we have to uh, get it power, every area, speed, everything. That's a synthesized part. Schematic diagram, everything you will be get it. That is RTL synthesize. Then RTL timing analysis. So RTL timing analysis that we will see in next video.